Hey guys, it's me, Janique618, and I'm here to do a YouTube video. I'm doing it outside today because it's a beautiful fall day here in New York, in Queens, New York. So I want to make a video outside while my son and his friend are playing back there on a trampoline. The trampoline is half up because, not half up, but you know, like there was an enclosure, like the little net that goes around the whole trampoline, but I had taken that down to get it ready for the winter because I'm going to be covering it up. There's that black cover right here. That black cover is a big black cover that goes over a trampoline. It's a trampoline cover. It's 15 feet wide, I guess you could say, or 15 feet long cover that goes over the trampoline. So I took the enclosure, the net around the trampoline off with the poles, which are behind the camera, because I'm outside and my shed's right here. Like the shed is like right behind the camera. So I put the enclosure in the shed here. So that's why the trampoline is open like that. Normally it's not open. It has the enclosure for safety, but they're fine. They're both 11-year-old boys and they're good. So anyways, I wanted to make my Walking Dead supply drop box video. This is the fall Walking Dead supply drop box. I did the summer one. So this is the fall one. Let me get another one in the winter, probably in like January, February-ish. So yeah, I love this box. By the way, it's so cool. It looks like the like a speaker box, like when you go into a concert, a live concert outside, and they have like these speaker boxes, because it has like the dials on it. And the handles on the side, and the speaker over here. So cool. So this is the box. It's really big. It's really cool. One of my items is inside the house because it's a poster, and I put the poster on my wall already, so that's why I don't have the poster on in here, because I put it in my on my wall in my room already. So when you open it, it looks like this. It's got the CD and, like, not CD, what do you call it? Gosh, I'm not old, so I don't even remember what it what do you call it again? The oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called. But back in the day, they used to play music on these big 45s, right? Is that what they call them, 45s? Basically, it's a vinyl. So yeah, so when you open up the box, it looks like a record player, an old school record player. And that's what, you know, they used to play music on back in the day. My mom and my dad had a lot of these vinyl LPs in the house. So yeah, that's what they used to look like. So yeah, this season, we got everything is basically based off of Beta and Eugene. I think what's the other thing? What's that? Oh yeah, we good. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is, let me get this chair. The first thing I'm gonna show you is this is the actor that plays Beta. This is his actual music. This is an actual album. It's falling. It's an actual album. Jaden. So so cool when you take it out. It's an actual real life album, like a real, what they call these, those 45s, right? I don't know. I'm not old, but I'm not young either. Yeah, 45s. I was right. It's called a 45. Take it easy. Yeah, these are called 45s. And the actor that plays Beta, he's an actual music artist, a recording artist. I believe he does country, I'm pretty sure. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he does country music. So this is his actual music. So yeah, it's really cool. I don't have anything to play this on because we don't have a record player anymore. But it's cool to have his actual album. So this is the actor that plays Beta. His band name is called Half Moon, as you can see. Yeah, that's really cool. And so yeah, Half Moon live in concert vinyl. That's really cool. So that's the first item. And then the second item is also it pertains to the album. It's the Half Moon, the legend himself, Austin, Texas. So this is him. It's like a concert. This is like a concert t-shirt basically. It's really cute. I love these t-shirts because they're so soft. They're super soft and they're warm. Obviously I'm wearing the Michonne hoodie right now. This is Michonne hoodie I got from the Walking Dead Supply drop box a few months ago. So yeah, I love their clothes, their shirts and stuff, and it's so soft. So this is the Half Moon t-shirt. So cool. And then you have let me show you the Half Moon poster. I have this, I put it on my wall already, but this is the poster. It's a big poster. It's like a big, like probably like this size, maybe a little bit bigger. And it's the Half Moon concert poster. So that's really cool that you have his album, you have the vintage tour t-shirt, and then you have the Half Moon poster. So that's what that is. And then you have a pop figure, which is Eugene. So you have Eugene all bloody. He's all bloody and he's got pickles. So basically he's got, this is from when Eugene got taken hostage, I guess, with Negan and the Sanctuary and the Saviors. When Negan took Eugene and made Eugene their doctor, their honorary doctor, Eugene was able to get some benefits from being a doctor, one of them being pickles. So in this thing he is holding a jar of pickles. So he's all bloody. Don't know why he's all bloody, but he's all bloody. So yeah, that's him right there with the little jar of pickles. With the long haircut. Look at the little jar of pickles. That's crazy. But anyway, so this is pop figure number 576. Eugene, and okay, so that's that. This is edition 9. So in this edition, you could also get Negan, Ezekiel, Richard, or Sasha. Right there. And then the last thing, the poster, like I said, is in my room. The last thing is this really gross and disgusting bleeding candle. This would have been perfect for Halloween, but this came after Halloween. But now it's November now. Yeah, it's almost like mid-November. But this is a bleeding candle inspired by a barnacle walker from Oceanside, seen in season 7 of The Walking Dead. This is so gross. This would have been perfect for Halloween. But look at this. This is a barnacle zombie, a walker. And it's an actual candle. And I'm assuming and guessing that when you light the candle, it's gonna be like when you light the candle, it's probably gonna be the wax that melts is going to be blood. That's my assumption, which I think is disgusting. Like, absolutely disgusting. So this is the candle. Yeah, I'm like, I don't even, how did I get it to bleed? I don't know. This looks crazy though, because it's an actual candle and it's gross looking. Oh, I think I see how. There's like red in here. There's like red. See the redness? Yeah, this is so gross. There's the wick right here. So yeah, this is a candle, which is disgusting. Like, ew, this is so gross. Ew, this is disgusting. This is so gross. Oh my god. This would have been great for Halloween. Even though I really don't celebrate Halloween, but anyway, don't celebrate Halloween. It's not my thing. But that is so disgusting. This is a zombie head, barnacle walker, bleeding candle. So gross. Ew. Anyway, so that's basically it. Like I said, the poster is in my room already, on my wall. And I love everything in this box. I always love everything in this box because it is so. I love the shirts I get. I love when they give us like hoodies, like in the winter time. In the winter, they'll give you a hoodie instead of a t-shirt, which I love because it'd be cold. So this is the fall one, so they send you a t-shirt, and I'm assuming that in the winter one they'll send you another hoodie. So far I have 2 Walking Dead hoodies. My first hoodie I got was the Daryl Dixon hoodie. So it was Daryl Dixon's the wings that he has on his vest. It's that hoodie. And then this is the Michonne one. Hopefully the winter one will have another hoodie. So yeah, that's it for the Walking Dead Supply drop box. I love everything that's in this box. I wish I had a record player so I could play his music, but I'm pretty sure I could find his songs online. But yeah, that's really cool. It's crazy when you see the actors that play certain characters and you see them in real life and they look so different. Well, not that different. You can still see Beta's face. That's crazy. But yeah, anyway, that's it for today's video for this Walking Dead Supply drop box, the fall edition. And I love this box. I think it's so cool how it's like when you open it, it's supposed to look like a record player. I think that's so cool. Anyway, that is it for the Walking Dead Supply drop box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my scenery, my background, my trampoline, my house, basketball net, which it's just everything is destroyed back here. The net, we took off the net, we took off everything because we're trying to get the backyard ready for the winter. Because in the winter in New York is no joke. There's snow, ice, sleet, rain. So trying to get the backyard ready for the winter. So I'm gonna cover the trampoline up probably today or tomorrow. And yeah, I'll probably cover it today because the leaves are falling on it and getting really dirty. So if I put the cover on the trampoline, then at least we'll keep it clean. So if they can go on it again before it gets too cold, they can get on it. Anyway, that's it for the Walking Dead Supply drop box. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested, you could find them. I think you can just go to Google and put in Walking Dead Supply drop box, Walking Dead Supply drop box, and you can go and you can subscribe for I don't even know what you call it. It's every season you would get a box. So you get a box every season. So basically like every 3 months or so. You know, because there are 4 seasons. So about every 3 months you'll get a box for the season. You'll get a winter box, fall, spring, and summer. The fall box usually comes around October, November. Yeah, like October, November you get the fall box. December you normally get it like January, February. The spring box you get normally, I would say like April, maybe like March, April. And the summer box you usually get somewhere between June, and sometimes it comes in September. It depends on what they have, because if it's like something really exclusive, like an exclusive piece, sometimes it takes longer for them to send it because they have to get everything prepared. Like I remember, I think last summer or whatever, it was like they gave us like flip-flops, like sandals, so that took a while. So I didn't get my summer box last year until like September or something like that, or like August, because it was like exclusive stuff that I guess was hard to prepare for, or it took a long time to prepare for. So yeah, I love this box because you get 5 exclusive items that you can't get anywhere else. You can't get these clothes in a store. You only get them from the Walking Dead site or from the supply drop box. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, happy fall, happy November. Yeah, that's it. See you guys. Bye.